enterprise digital transformation is no longer a distant future. The future of digital industry is already here. Mtron is now leading the future of the digital industry. Mtron's Smart Factory solution can solve the problems of frequent process fluctuations and high defects. Smart Monitoring solution enables monitoring by databasizing all process status in real time. You can check injection molding related data as well as analysis by plant and line operation information in real time. You can customize this information for your convenience and check it through your mobile device. This enables rapid cause analysis and resolution when problems occur in the injection molding machine and peripheral devices. Smart Data Interface enables optimal smart factory construction with customers' production control system. Smart Data Interface enables the construction of a zero-defect smart factory by standardizing the status and production information of various injection molding machines. The Smart Equipment Control solution can control and monitor peripheral devices around the injection molding machine by automatically setting process conditions for injection molding machines and peripheral devices. With the Smart Equipment Control solution, peripheral devices can be controlled, enabling rapid response to small-scale production. As a result, it is possible to efficiently operate with a minimum number of labor. The Smart Mold Recognition System automatically sets the process conditions stored in the machine through various recognition methods to prevent incorrect input of process information by workers and shorten the mold exchange time to increase production efficiency. The SWC Smart Weight Control System automatically controls the process conditions in real time. When recycled resin is mixed and used, there is a problem that injection pressure fluctuates and products of different quality are produced under the same process conditions. SWC compensates for product weight fluctuations by automatically changing the process in real time in any process. Smart Remote Service minimizes customer downtime with an optimal solution that supports real-time service anytime, anywhere in the event of an injection molding machine failure. The Molding Eye enables quick cause analysis and recovery using backup data and offers predictive diagnostics based on long-term performance analysis. AI-assisted process setup derives optimal molding conditions using shape information and target weight. Convenience and accessibility are improved by deriving optimal conditions through the intuitive operation of engineers even in complex and diverse production processes. AI-assisted process setup learns process conditions from highly skilled injection molding experts. By learning and imitating the process setup method of highly skilled engineers, it is possible to implement a consistent process regardless of the skill level of the operator. Using AI-assisted process setup, the initial production process is quickly stabilized and the working time is shortened. The AI weight control uses an artificial intelligence engine and a weight measurement system to automatically maintain the same weight when the part weight changes due to various factors during the production process. Mtron's Smart Factory solution provides customers with higher productivity and a convenient working environment. Now, Mtron is opening a new future for the digital industry with world-class quality and innovation. Changing the future, LS Mtron.